Alright, shh. I'm not leaking it. Not leaking it. Shh. Not leaking it. Shh. Shh. I don't leak. You guys can't leak it. Woo!
We're in an RV
Alright, should I?
right now.
Alright.
I need a physical.
How do you mute? How do you mute this? How do you mute it?
I can't really see.
Door's locked. The door's locked.
What do you mean you can't see what happened?
Academy Road, and there were these guys in ski masks, and they're like, they have my friend in handcuffs. They're claiming that they.
Sir, I don't know what Academy is. What I need to talk to you.
JJ, you gotta let me in.
Why? Who has your friend in handcuffs?
Guys, is it? I don't know. These guys are trying to like kidnap us or something.
Want to access the car or something because they have like they're like part of a like they're claiming to be like a part of a narcotics team or something.
Who are they with?
It's just two.
Are they coming?
Wait, are you with Sadie? Are you with?
Push me in.
That's my manager. Are you with Sadie?
Oh, he's not in handcuffs.
You got to unlock it. Unlock the door. Unlock the door. Unlock the door. Yep. Unlock the door.
What is your friend's name that's in handcuffs? What's your
Alright,
friend's
what are
name?
they gonna do in here?
Unlock the door.
Who is it?
Let me see. Unlock the door.
Who
Dude,
is
this
it?
is. What department are you guys in? Yeah.
Are they claiming to be
Let me
police
see.
officers?
These men are claiming to be police officers. Yes.
So what is your friend's name?
JJ! Hey, it's just a prank, dude.
There are two men in ski masks.
I understand that, sir. I said, what is your friend's name that they have handcuffed?
JJ, it's just a prank, man.
What?
Did you hear what he said?
He said it's just a prank.
I understand that. So where's your friend? Can I talk to your friend? What's your friend's name that's in handcuffs, sir? I'm sorry? What is your name, sir?
Are you?
What is your last name for the
Hello? Let me in.
No.
Let me in, you fucking jackass. At least someone. Oh my god, JJ's fucking hauling ass. JJ, get over here, you stupid fuck. JJ is so shook. Script failed. So pretty much those are some friends, and we wanted them to break in here and like beat the scare the fuck out of JJ, but JJ's actually scared still. That's funny. Dude, it was a good prank for like me and Mondo were laughing because Gucci saw us get fucking. Did you cancel it?
Yeah. I said it was cool.
Chad, you get. Oh my god, that would have been so funny. You guys should have saw fucking Gucci's. She was like walking right here, and then like we had them fucking pull up with their car and like act like they're throwing us in. And then fucking Gucci's, I watch her just start hauling ass like she was so scared. Oh my god, why didn't you?
Who are those guys?
Dude, they wanted their money. They were narcotics or some shit. No, you were scared. Let me see. Wait, stick your hand out. Let me see if you're shaking. You're just shaking so much. Alright, that's because you always sleep all day. You never know what's happening. Alright.
Oh, yeah, it was a little freaky, dude. Whatever.
Where's the key to the door? Where's the key to the door?
It's this way. Should be in here.
Damn it. Because we had the keys. We had the keys and we were like, and they're like, dude, Jay's not opening up the door. How do we get in? And I'm like, dude, just go through a fucking window. Mondo, can you guys come back? So JJ canceled the call. You just come back. Gucci's, you can come back too. Mondo, you have the fucking keys. Please come back. You. Good. Everyone was actually like, oh, they're there. Hey, put your mask back on, quick! Get him, get him! It's this guy, he's right here. Hey, arrest this guy, he's the... JJ, start running, JJ, run! JJ, go, run for it! Arrest that guy.
No, he's already scared, man. You alright? What's up, man? How are you?
You freaked the shit out of
Were
him.
you scared? You were worried? I just wanted the narcotics, man. Do you have any? You want some? I'm just kidding.
The claims to be a part of our narcotics unit. They just took my two friends and put them in a car.
By narcotics unit, I just met guys in Albuquerque that like
I know
narcotics.
JJ wants to crack up right now.
What's up, Tommy?
Doesn't he look better with no eyebrows?
You called the cops? Man, you never call the cops. That's how everybody gets dead. Huh? Huh? Because cops kill people. That's what they do.
Yeah, see all these bullet holes on that fence? That's all cops, you know?
Especially in Albuquerque. Yeah, there's no human situation so bad that it can't be made worse by the presence of a police officer.
Did you tell Gucci's to come back?
I don't know. She just, dude, I don't know where the fuck she took off. I thought she ran to the RV.
Dude, no, I saw her dip.
Dude, she's like, I don't want to be arrested.
Shoot,
She fucking ran as soon as we grabbed you.
That was funny.
She probably went down that way, dude.
Yeah.
You kind of look like the cop that was smoking with the other day.
Oh, yeah?
On the fence.
JJ thought the cartel was after him after the first night in New Mexico.
Fucking Gucci took
Whose fucking
off.
idea was this?
Whose idea?
Everybody's.
Mondo's. It was a fun. It would have been more funny if they got inside. That was the whole. You guys fucking suck.
Yeah, you wouldn't
JJ,
understand,
I need that key, dude.
I got it.
I thought you were gonna take
got the
me.
key
I
back?
thought you were gonna. I didn't want to
Yeah.
get kidnapped or nothing.
You don't want to get kidnapped?
Yeah, I thought you guys.
You were already fucking kidnapped, man. These guys picked you up from California and took you out to this place.
This fucking shit.
You're kidnapped already. See,
Wow, you guys were like scary looking.
we were scary looking.
Yeah, we had the fucking mask on and shit. I thought.
You're scary looking.
I thought you were just like fucking gonna take us or something. I don't know. Like I knew it wasn't
They're,
cops.
they're here to kidnap an autistic
Well, I
kid
knew
and
they
fight a
weren't.
couple
I
fat
knew
people.
they weren't cops, but I knew,
Josh Martinez is blowing me up. I'm live on the interwebs, Josh Martinez.
Hey, we all got the best
Hey,
phone.
damn bag.
Yeah.
Look, we all,
21
that's 21 Ultras.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Everyone always makes fun of the 20 cameras on the phone.
Did you tell the cops where you were at? No?
Yeah. He told me, he's like, my cat, whatever the fuck.
How long were you on the phone with the cops?
Couple minutes.
What'd they say? They say they're gonna come?
No, they said it's cool.
They said it's cool.
They said they were gonna say.
Wait, I don't know if Gucci's knows yet.
Like Gucci's been
Yeah,
back
dude,
here.
she fucking booked it, man.
Gucci's, like, I'm arrested.
I was watching the stream.
Oh, never mind. Gucci's, come back.
That was the dumpster.
You at the dumpster?
You're at the dumpster.
Did I
Yeah,
come
she
back?
really picked
Yeah.
up Speedy's habits, dude. She picked up Speedy's habits 100%. Like her go to
She was
bed, I'm in the
smart.
dumpster.
She was smart though. She like the second like you two like like obviously we were trying to scare Gucci's and make sure Tommy fucking
Yeah, everything. It just didn't go. If I would have had this key, it would have been different.
Yeah.
Yeah, we needed to get in. We
Yeah.
needed to get in and find those drugs.
Imagine not being able to get in. How did you guys not manage to get in?
Well, I don't know, you were saying the back window opens, you're like, be careful of the wall though, and I just barely moved the window, and the fucking wall moves. I'm like, oh, forget it.
Yeah.
I'm not.
I guess they locked.
Poverty stuff.
I think they locked it barely. Sometimes.
It's pretty poverty.
Mm-hmm.
So, which one of you guys want to get your eyebrows shaved for the content?
Yeah, not me.
No, I'm good. I like having eyebrows.
I haven't shaved my balls in a while though. You wanna?
Chicken? Your job? Or JJ, you're the master barber here.
Retired.
You're retired.
I also haven't showered in a couple weeks. They smell salty.
I'm retired. Just like, yeah, my job's done here.
James is there to help move the couch. That was proper. I went live on my small channel just in case pigs showed up.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
This guy, freaking calling pigs.
Dude, there was also like bystanders like coming over, and I was like, oh, dude. What did you say? Yep.
Everything's good.
Everything's good.
Just a couple drugs in there. We have to
We're just-
test out for science.
We're just looking for drugs. You want some?
Yeah, we could use about an ounce of some Fire Chronic. Got that?
knew it wasn't cars.
$5.
But you wouldn't open the door, man.
Yeah, because I thought you guys were. I saw you take that, but I thought you were gonna take us.
Why would
Somewhere.
they kidnap you, dude?
I don't know.
Yeah.
What if he was sent by your mom and dad to fucking escort you back to California?
Are you going back to California?
It's no longer funny.
It's no longer fun.
I'm just reading the chat. It's no longer funny now. All right, leave pranks, guys. Let's go. We're just waiting for Gucci's. We should do an audit. I'm down.
You want to go to a federal Social Security building?
I'll just fucking sit behind you guys, do whatever. I'll just plead.
Yeah, I'm down.
Me and him got manhandled there a few weeks ago, and they just we gave him a bribe though to actually leave us alone. So
Oh,
Interesting.
can you be trespassed from a public building like city halls and shit?
legally no, but yeah, they'll do it. Too. They do it all
Verbally,
the time.
they do verbals.
Yeah, legally, public government buildings.
Mm-hmm.
You're not supposed to be able to be trespassed unless you've committed a crime.
Mm-hmm.
But they do it all the time. They don't obey the law. You can be trespassed from a Walmart though.
I've done that many times.
All you gotta do is put somebody in the car.
Daddy.
Dandy sent $3, dude. Not going to lie. That was good and had my anxiety going. Thought it was some narco cartel shit going on. Bravo, chicken.
Thank you, Dandy. Let me go grab my speaker.
No such thing. Sent $3. It's James Springer. Freeman. Lol, you're safe. You're going to meet friends.
Yes, they are also YouTubers. Yes. So you recognize them?
It's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, just ignore all the eggs.